Food Tales with Shilpa brings to you an exciting flavor of an East Indian Christmas.
Hi, this is Audrey D'Souza. I'm an architect by profession, and this is my initiative for the East Indian women, the East Indian Culinary. These are teams of women who supply you authentic homemade East Indian food all over Mumbai. This is for empowering the community women to come out on a platform and do something in life. I want to encourage them to do much more than what they do at home and reach out to people, and not only do that but promote the East Indian cuisine, which is still not very known to everybody. Hoping to take this initiative to a much greater level soon.
I'm taking orders for the stuffed chicken. This is a recipe which is a age-old recipe with a marinade. The chicken is marinated overnight and the stuffing is done with the liver and peas and onion pudding put together.
I have made East Indian mutton fritar, which is a unique dish. It is made with freshly ground masalas, not with East Indian bottle masala.
Pregnant after my marriage, I had to be completely bedridden. I had to quit my job working for a bank, and then there was quite a lot of financial problems and difficulties. However, on the other side, Audrey came up into my life and she helped me to become a better person, a stronger person, and she also helped me to get into different service business. From that time till today, there is no turning back, and I've been a very happy person after that.
आम्ही सणसोल्याला पाव नाही खात, ते चिट्टा जोरटे आणि वरे खातात.
I learned the majority of the things from my mom, and especially cakes. Looking at the women from the East Indian Culinary Group and the other women around, I also took initiative in learning more about the food. Since they encouraged me, then I joined the group, and now I'm into baking and cooking.
I am very fond of cooking and I always keep trying new dishes at home. But even though if it's an experiment, my family still enjoys it. And my family used to tell me, Mama, since you're making good food, why don't you start taking orders? But I was a bit hesitant, thinking that I may not be able to give the same type of food outside. And we did get a few orders, including meal boxes, bulk orders. And I was very happy with the beginning. And now itself, when I take orders and my children see me cooking in the kitchen, they come and they ask me, Mama, do you have an order? So I feel, very happy that, they are also a part of me in this. And not only that, they also ask me if you need any help, if you want us to go to the shop to buy some things for you, we will do it for you.
Letri is a unique East Indian delicacy prepared with rice flour, coconut and jaggery. It is prepared and served on the second day of the wedding when the bride's relatives come to take the bride back to her home. The preparation process begins by cooking the flour in boiling water. The flour is then kneaded to form a dough. Color is added to some portions of the dough to make the dish look colorful. It is further kneaded into small handful portions and cooked once again in boiling water. Once it rises, it is taken out and put in a special latri instrument called the goda and molded to form latri. It is garnished with freshly grated coconut, jaggery and served hot. The East Indian community people are one of the original inhabitants of Mumbai with a rich culture and heritage and a unique cuisine handed down through generations. The East Indian culinary team was set up not only to make this cuisine popular outside the community but also to help empower women of the community by serving authentic East Indian food to the masses. The recipes are unique and instruments used are inherited and almost a century old. The food is cooked by the women at their homes and then delivered to customers. A special Christmas menu is put up, so place your orders to enjoy delicious East Indian food before we close.